What happens when vintage tech nostalgia meets cutting-edge charging power? Sharge thinks the answer is simple. You get the Icemag 3, a magnetic power bank that looks like a Cybershot camera and charges like the future. Today, we're breaking down Sharge's newest retro-inspired innovation, a 10,000 mAh powerhouse with active cooling, RGB flare, and the latest 25-watt Qi 2.2 wireless charging. Inspired by the iconic Sony Cybershot series, the Icemag 3 brings back the sleek sliding bar aesthetic, reimagined for a world that runs on smartphones instead of memory sticks. The familiar metal bar doesn't hide a camera lens this time. It transforms into a sturdy kickstand. And right where the lens used to be, Sharge reveals a transparent window into the machine, showcasing a high-speed cooling fan spinning at 10,000 RPM, highlighted by subtle RGB lighting. The transparent front cutout isn't just aesthetic. That fan actively cools the system while charging, keeping performance steady even during high-wattage sessions. It's a blend of retro character and modern engineering, giving the Icemag 3 a unique personality in a sea of uninspired power banks. The build is compact, refined, and magnetically snaps onto compatible devices with confidence, perfect for video calls, travel, or desk setups. Power is where the Icemag 3 really levels up. Sharge bumps wireless speed to 25 watts with the new Qi 2.2 standard, a leap forward from the previous 15-watt limit. Wired charging sees a boost too, now reaching up to 35 watts. And with both a built-in USB-C cable and a standard port, you get more flexibility on the move. Only a handful of devices currently unlock that full 25-watt wireless speed, like the iPhone 16 and 17 series and Google's Pixel 10 Pro XL. But even at 15 watts, the 10,000 mAh capacity easily tops off most phones at least once. Whether you're filming, gaming, or jumping between meetings, the Icemag 3's cooling system keeps your device and the charger running efficiently. The integrated kickstand makes watching content or video calling a breeze, and the magnetic connection ensures everything stays secure. The Sharge Icemag 3 officially launches November 13th, but early buyers can snag it for $63.90 during the pre-order window, a 15% savings off the future retail price. Retro charm, transparent engineering, next-generation charging. The Icemag 3 isn't just another power bank. It's a statement piece for anyone who loves smart design and serious performance. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and let us know which retro gadget you want to see revived next.